Hi friends, welcome back. Question is, given a vector field A is equal to 2r cos phi tr. Tr is the direction and cylindrical coordinates. For the counter as shown below, this is the counter, we have to find closed line integral of A. So A dot dl is equal to this A 2r cos phi tr dot in this path O, let this point is x, this point is phi. This path dl is tr in the direction of tr and from 0 to 1 plus this path xy. From here phi is changing, so from 0 to pi by 2 2r cos phi tr dot. Here phi term is changing. For phi the value of dl is r d phi in the direction of phi plus 9 y o from 1 to 0 2r cos phi tr. Now this is changing in the r direction, so dr dr. Okay, so solve this. For ox, cos phi is 0, so cos 0 is 1, so this is 0 to 1 to r. Tr dot tr is 1 and this is tr plus 0 to pi by 2 2r cos phi tr dot t phi is 0, so this term will be 0 plus 1 to 0 2r cos phi is 90, cos 90 is 0, so this term is also 0, so this term will be remaining 0 to 1 2r dr, so 2r square by 2 from 0 to 1, so 2 cancel and this is 1, so answer is 1. Thank you.